think I see... Is that just a clump of... Good evening, all you beautiful, beautiful people. We are here.
Hi there, beautiful people.
Yeah, we are driving to our next location. It is afternoon and the rain just stopped. You can see the clouds up there. They're still all wiggly, but we just finished the hunt and look at my boots. They're caked in mud. It's really gross right now, but we're going to a cornfield where the farmer said last weekend he was about to harvest the rest of it. So, yay! Onward! It's loose in there, I believe.
One eternity later.
Oh, it's a little something. It's a little... Hey, tiger! Look it. It's either a little key or a little watchfinder. My first haul. It is a beautiful evening, guys. As you can tell, the sun finally came out. It rained all day. Look at my feet.
Got yourself a little watchwinder.
Yes! I don't mind the watchwinder one bit. Oh, look at his little head. Oh, it's got a little pattern.
Yes, it does.
Great first find.
Yeah, you're off to a good start. Let's just go home now.
No. So Tiger just said he has a good signal. He is right there. So why not check it out? $75.80, he says.
Better not be iron.
I don't think that's iron. What a beautiful evening this turned out to be. Windy, but so pretty. And it was pouring all day. It was so gray and mucky.
It's bouncing all over the place, but it's right in here.
Okay, oh my goodness.
Whoa.
It's standing on edge and it is. Looks like a coin
That's
to
no
me.
button either. Oh, it's a
maybe?
smooth copper.
Oh man, any detail at all?
I see the wreath on the back.
Can I
Looks
see
like
it?
it might be a number stamped on the face. It's worn smooth, but I think I see a number stamped on the face.
Oh, look, 1 cent. Clear as day, I can read 1
Yeah,
cent.
that's so worn. That's in nice shape. It's not all corroded.
1 cent. Yeah, go this way.
Good angle on the sun.
Yeah, oh, what a beauty. Well, I started to run back to my stuff, but Tiger says, hold up, I have another signal.
Sounds like the last one.
Sounds like the last one. Okay.
Still in the hole. I have a feeling there's going to be deep copper. Still in there.
Really?
See that?
That is pretty deep. That is pretty darn deep.
Oh, God. Let me know if you see anything shiny.
I'm looking like a hawk.
Oh, you look like a pussycat.
Oh. I see it.
What the? Watch.
A watch face.
Hey, maybe we can embezzle a quarter into that thing.
That would be actually kind of cool. Like bezel it in there. Wow. For a second I just saw a glint. I was like, whoa, whoa, silver, silver. Oh, not bad though.
Yeah, I got a quarter. Well, maybe the largie will fit in there.
No. Good job. Regardless. I'll take it.
Yeah, I'll take it.
60, 70. Little bouncy. Let's see what that is. Oh, somewhere in here, methinks. Oh, something mangled. Oh, no, 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 no. Hey, tiger! Look at this. Alright, I'll run. I'll do it. I'll do it. Check this out. It's a bit mangled, but boy, it's old.
Knee buckle?
Knee or shoe, methinks. Maybe a child's shoe buckle? It's pretty sturdy looking.
Let's see where
It's
the
like a
pin
thick
would
frame.
go, but I think it's probably a knee buckle.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll buy it. You can see, I think it had a pattern here. Yes. Yes.
You're hitting the old stuff.
I sure am.
Yeah, hurry up. Yeah.
Pussycat, hurry up, he says. All right then.
I think it's a real set. Oh, yeah.
Wow! Oh my goodness!
Look at that design. I thought
What a beauty!
I thought it might be silver, but I don't think so.
Yeah, maybe, huh?
I don't know, maybe silver
Probably not.
plated.
Yeah, silver plated,
I
silver
don't know
wash.
if they did that to these back then.
Wow! Wow! Whoops!
what was
Lead.
that?
It's lead. Its guts flew out.
That's just the imprint.
Oh, just the dirt. Wow! It's lead on the back, right?
Yeah. Yeah, maybe silver plated.
Coated with silver,
lead.
maybe? Oh my goodness, that is absolutely beautiful. I think that's the nicest one we've dug, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow.
Looks like little maybe
Wow.
moons or something, or leaves.
Little half
Wanna brush
moons.
up real quick?
Yeah, little
See
half
what those look like.
moons.
Whoa.
Little stars inside. Look
Stars
at
and moons, I bet.
stars and moons. Yes, I bet you're right.
Yeah. Well, that's cool.
Wow,
Wow.
beautiful find, Tiger.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. Good job.
I'll take it. Thank you very much.
Good job. Here I have another 73-ish. It's right under this stalk. Well, let's see what it is. Oh, it's in the clump, it's in the clump. Oh, I think I see. Is that just a clump of... What the actual heck is this? A person? Hey! Tiger! I think I dug a person.
Can't hear you.
I think I dug a person. Look it!
Yeah. Is that a...
I have no idea.
Oh, it's got a funnel hat.
A what?
A funnel hat.
A funnel
I think
hat.
it's a Chinaman. A little long mustache.
I I think you're right. Can you give him a quick brushing? Please, please, please. Wow. I have no idea what he is.
Oh, you're knocking it out of the park.
He was buried pretty deeply. He was under like one of the stalks. Wow. That is peculiar. And the farm is like way down past that knoll. There's like several fields all over. But I have never ever found a person.
Good job.
Whoa, you startled me.
You get a good signal?
No, it's like a nickel range, but I want to know what it is. Right here.
Here, you see if you can identify what that
Oh!
says. Or I see stars.
Is that a button?
It looks like an L-A and then an I underneath it.
Is that a button?
Yeah.
Did you just dig that?
Yes.
Wow.
I know.
Wow, it's got letters, but I can't quite make out. That's beautiful.
I know.
It's like the world's tiniest stallion.
You got it.
Oh, round, round. Oh, button.
Oh, I see a little gold.
Oh, yes. Ah.
We get a shank. Yes, we do.
Oh, yay.
Yeah, it's intact too.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, you get some design on it. See?
Wow.
I like when the sun's low like that. It shows everything.
I know. Wow.
It's a nice little button.
Yes. Look it, it's beautiful.
Good job again.
Look, little circles. It has little circles on it. Well, look, see? I can't wait to clean him up.
That's different.
It's beautiful. So, I think I entered a quiet stretch here. I have not had a signal since my gold guild button. So I figure I'd chat with you for a second while we are swinging, waiting for our next signal. I will have a few giveaways coming up, starting with the next video after this one. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and go to the drop down, select bell for notifications to get notified when those upload. I will have more than one, and it's starting with a video after this one. So the sun looks like it's starting to dip behind the trees, so we are making our next whole treasure or treasure. Please like, subscribe and comment. Giveaways are starting the next video like I just said, and happy hunting to you all.